In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Grok app not working on Samsung phone. The first thing you want to do is update the Grok app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here search Grok. If you find an update button over here, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now launch open Grok and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then you simply want to close the app, then force restart it. For that, tap and hold on the Grok app icon, then tap on this app info button, which should take you to settings. Now you will find the option of force stop, tap on that, then tap on OK. Now, next thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Now, you want to open Grok and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then you want to check your connection. Check if you're connected with a stable internet. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also toggle on the flight mode. Wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds and then toggle this option off. This should refresh your network. Now launch open Grok and check if your issue is fixed. You also want to check if this is a server issue. For that, open up any web browser. Now type in Grok server down and then head over to any reliable website such as Down Detector, and from here check if this is a server issue. If it is, then you simply want to wait until Grok fixes this issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.